Unit 2, Lesson 1, Track 10. Listen and say, He has short hair. She has long hair. She has brown eyes. He has dark eyes. Unit 2, Lesson 2, Track 11. Listen, say, and trace. Egg, egg, egg. Elbow, elbow, elbow. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Envelope, envelope, envelope. Track 12. Listen, say, and trace. Fox, fox, fox. Fish, fish, fish. Frog, frog, frog. Flower, flower, flower. Unit 2, Lesson 3, Track 13. Listen and say, big, big, big. Small, small, small. Fat, fat, fat. Thin, thin, thin. Short, short, short. Tall, tall, tall. Track 14. What's this?
It's a cup. It's big.
What's this?
It's a cup. It's small.
What's this?
It's a dog. It's fat.
What's this?
It's a dog. It's thin.
What's this?
It's a tree.
It's short.
What's this?
It's a tree. It's tall.
Unit 2, Lesson 4, Track 15. Listen, say, and trace. Girl, girl, girl. Glass, glass, glass. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Guava, guava, guava. Track 16. Listen, say, and trace. Hat, hat, hat. Hand, hand, hand. Horse, horse, horse. House, house, house. Unit 2, Lesson 5, Track 17. Listen and say, clean, clean, clean. Dirty, dirty, dirty. New, new, new. Old, old, old. Long, long, long. Short, short, short. Track 18. Listen, choose, and say, my jacket is clean. My jacket is dirty. My bag is new. My bag is old. My pencil is long. My pencil is short.